Hi students, so this is a quick video for everyone who is planning for IFOA September 2024 attempt. So as you must be aware, there are two ways of entering into IFOA. So first way is that you can enter into IFOA and give your exam as a non-member. But if you apply as a non-member, then you can only take CS1 or CM1 as a non-member. For that, if you are planning for IFOA September 2024 attempt as a non-member, there is nothing that you have to do right now, but you can only apply one exam if you are going for non-member, that is either CS1 or CM1. Another way of entering into IFOA is that you have to apply for IFOA membership. So if you are planning to appear for two or more exams, you cannot appear for two or more exams as a non-member. You have to take membership and go via membership route only. And an important note for everyone who is planning for September 2024 exams, the last date for applying for membership is 17th June. That does not mean you have to get the membership by 17th June. It's that from your side, the procedure has to be completed by 17th June. And as and when you receive the reply, you can just complete the payment and it will be processed. So you will not be able to appear for September 2024 exams if you are planning and if you have not yet applied your membership till 17 June. Now let me just take you quickly how to apply IFOA membership. If you just type on Google IFOA membership application form, it will redirect you to this particular page. As you can see, they have clearly mentioned that please read on this step-by-step guide to complete your student membership application form. So if you're joining as a student member, in order to sit for IFOA exams, please submit your application well in advance of IFOA exam sessions. So don't do like this कि हमारे एग्जाम सितंबर में है तो हम सितंबर में मेंबरशिप अप्लाई कर लेंगे. Membership will close as the date mentioned. So they like for all those who are eligible for reduced subscription fees, there is a criteria that if your annual income, if you are a student, obviously you are not earning, and if your annual income is less than around 8 lakhs, so you are eligible for that reduced subscription. So you have to, while filling your application form, you have to make sure that you have completed your application for reduced subscription. And there are multiple ways of payment. The best way is that you can make sure that you are doing payment via credit card or debit card, and if you are making payment via credit card or debit card, just check that your international gateway has to be open. That means your bank should allow you the debit card or credit card which is going to make international payments. So that's the best way to make payment to IFO. So if you are a non-member, this video is for those members as well. Basically, all those who were non-members in last attempt, they appeared for CS1 or CM1 in last attempt, they cleared that exam and now they want to take membership. So this section is for those students. So if you are a non-member who has previously registered to set an IFO exam, तो आपके पास already you have an ARN and you have a password as a part of exam registration process. So when you select my application, you can begin your online student admission application. You can just log in using your ARN password and can enter your personal details and apply to that online student membership application form. Now, the important thing is how to apply for this membership. So read the step in there's clearly mentioned how to apply membership. So after this video, you should not be having any doubts related to membership applying. You should be clear like how to apply for IFOA membership. So see, what's the first step? Click on my application button at the bottom of. Let's discuss the steps to create account. So first step, listen very carefully. You have to click on this my application button at the bottom of this page. तो जैसे ही आप माई एप्लीकेशन बटन पे क्लिक करोगे ना, वो आपको लॉग इन करने के लिए पूछेगा यूजर नेम. यू आर सपोज टू क्रिएट योर यूजर नेम and enter your email address and everything. So like this. So if you are creating your account for the first time, you are supposed to click on create account, create your username and password and just remember it. And if you have forgotten your password, if you created it before and have forgotten it, just click on forgotten password. So this is the first step of creating your account. Now, once you are done with this, the next step is that validating your email address. Obviously, when you are creating account, you have to enter your email ID. So they will send you an email to it, just validate the address. So that particular email will contain some instructions on validating. So you are just supposed to click on the link which is provided to your email. Okay, so you can just clearly see this will take you to the web page where you can choose your IFOI website account password. If you cannot see an email from web contained @actuaries.org.uk, यहाँ से मेल आनी चाहिए आपके पास, तो आप अपना स्पैम चेक कर लेना एक बार. अगर आपको लगता है कि स्पैम में भी मेल नहीं आ रही है तो फिर हम मेल करेंगे उनको, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट रिसीविंग माय मेंबरशिप credentials, so please let me know how to apply for the same. Then you can mail on the member services team. So next step is आपने email ID डाली, आपने password डाला, you are choosing your password, you are confirming your password, you are clicking on save. तो जब आपका ये पूरा account create हो जाता है तो उसके बाद you are supposed to enter your personal details. Now personal details contain your name, your address, your telephone number. So please fill it very carefully because you are filling it and in this particular name only your account will be created. So if you are non-working, then your employment details, you can just skip that and you can just mention non-working. If you are working, if you want to, you have the option of telling that I am working in this particular position and these are the employer details. So education details will be like you have passed 12th or you have completed your graduation degree or you have completed your post graduation degree. So you just have to mention your education details. It's very clear that we're not supposed to upload as of now any supporting documents. And then payment methods, as I told you, you can use either debit card or credit card. And always remember that apart from the membership fees, there is an additional membership subscription fee and basically first time entry fee of £50 that you are supposed to pay. So this is your subscription fee and subscription becomes due. The cycle of subscription of IFOA is basically from 1st September to 30th September of next year. So if you are applying for September or attempt basically, so you have to pay the membership fees plus your subscription fees as well. Now next is application for reduced subscription. As I told you, if your income is falling below a particular that threshold, so you have to apply for that reduced subscription fees as well. And then you have to just submit the instructions and that's it. Then you will be redirected basically, okay, we have received your membership application and then you will receive a link from IFOA to make your payment and then you can just make your payment. So this is not something that has to be done ASAP because it can take up to 3 weeks from IFOA to reply to you. So आपको ये चीज डेडलाइन से पहले करनी है ताकि उनके पास अगर आपकी मेल एक बार चली जाए, आपकी सबमिशन एक बार चला जाए, उसके बाद जब उनकी साइड से आपको रिप्लाई आएगा तो you can just make your payment. So once you have received email confirmation that your application has been successful, so you will become a member and you can apply for your exams. So this is very simple process of just applying for membership. Just remember that you are entering your name clearly, you are entering your email clearly, you are entering your address details clearly, you are entering your educational degree clearly. If you are not working, you can skip your entering employment details. If you are working, enter your employment details. If you have just cleared class 12, select accordingly. If you are done with graduation, select your university degree. If you are done with post graduation, select your degree. So earlier there used to be a method where we used to print the form, we used to scan it, we used to fill the details, we used to sign it. Now it's completely an online membership application form only. So your ARN and password will be set and then you are just applying to the membership, you will receive the mail for the payment. So I hope you find this video helpful and all your doubts related to how to apply for membership are clear. In case you are still facing any issue with respect to how to apply for IFOA membership, then you can connect with our team and they will guide you. So that's it from my side. Thank you.